and welcome once again to MMTS. I'm yoga therapist Salima Poonawala, and I'm happy to be sharing with you my knowledge across the years of dealing with various lifestyle disorders. The one that we're going to be talking about today is diabetes. In the past 8 years of my journey as a yoga therapist, I have realized that the key to managing diabetes really lies in lifestyle changes. Introducing regular yoga practice, to your daily routine is very important in making sure that your hormones stay in harmony. As we all know, diabetes is caused because of the lack of insulin or inadequate production of insulin in the body. Since the pancreas produces insulin, today I'm going to be demonstrating a pose to you that helps in stimulating the pancreas. Dhanur Asan or bow pose is extremely beneficial not just for the pancreas but also for the liver and kidneys. And as we know, both these organs play a very important role in keeping our body healthy and keeping it free from toxins. So let's get started with Dhanurasana. A gentle reminder, because this asana deals significantly with the abdominal area, any of you who may have had any recent surgeries pertaining to this area or anybody having a hernia condition are advised not to practice this pose. For everybody else, this is how it goes. All you need is a yoga mat. Lie down on the belly. Since the area of focus in this asana is the abdominal area, it is a good idea to make sure that your belly is fully stretched and flat like this on the ground so that you can make the most of this pose. You are free to keep your chin or your forehead on the ground as per your convenience. Gently fold both your legs. Hold your ankles. Take a nice deep breath and start lifting your lower body off the ground. Keep focusing on pushing the quadriceps, the front of the thigh off the floor. As you keep doing that, your shoulders and your upper body will eventually start coming up as well. Lift as high as possible. And hold this pose 15 to 20 seconds. Gently lower yourself, release the ankles, and rest. Should you feel any strain in the back, come up very slowly and feel free to rest in Balasana or the child pose. Dhanurasana or the bow pose. Dhanurasana or the bow pose, as you could have seen, works beautifully on the abdominal area. It is one of those poses that you should be practicing daily if diabetes is something that is bothering you. It also works beautifully on the spine, and over a period of time, the spine starts feeling very stiff. This asana is also going to help you counter that and also make sure that you start breathing right. Keep practicing Dhanurasana and keep watching MMTSL for further such videos. Thank you. Have a lovely day.